Sawadee Khap, it's Thursday, May 14th. Welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. The Phuket International Airport has been approved to reopen to limited domestic flights after midnight this Friday night. The Phuket Airport has been closed since April 3 with a ban on all flights with some exceptions, but officials from the Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand say strict health guidelines must be adhered to. Everyone at the airport must wear face masks, they'll get their body temperature checked, and passengers arriving in Phuket must complete a form detailing their personal medical history to be submitted to officers at the airport. And Phuket Governor Phakapong Tamipa yesterday explained that all persons arriving on the island, in addition to completing that form, will have to install the quote Molchana app on their phones so officials can follow up on disease investigations. That's the AOT Airports app. Note that all arrivals to Phuket are told to observe a home quarantine for 14 days by order of the Phuket governor. Also, the Phuket News has yet to receive a reply from officials to confirm whether people leaving Phuket by the airport must register with the local authorities first and be issued a fit-to-travel document confirming they have been screened for the virus and that they have observed a 14-day self-quarantine before their date of travel, as is currently required of any people approved to leave Phuket by road. Meanwhile, some of the biggest shopping mall developers like Siam Piwat and Central Group, they're set to reopen their malls this weekend after the government signaled that the next phase of the economic restart could begin on May 17th. But a final word on that will come tomorrow. Some of the biggest malls in Bangkok are set to reopen with automatic temperature scanning robots and also free face masks, as well as disinfecting drones all over the mall. One new coronavirus case in Thailand today, and it's an asymptomatic traveler who returned from Phuket. The new total for the country is 3,018 with 93% recovered and no new deaths. The latest case is a 39-year-old Thai man who left Phuket for Chiang Mai on May 2nd with his wife and child. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. With the new school term set to launch on July 1st, the Education Ministry is testing their online learning system, hoping to get the kinks worked out before the launch. But officials are having trouble with the 10% of students who were found to have no access to the internet at home. The Education Minister is saying that the 10% of students who don't have internet access don't have electricity or don't have a computer. So he'll be asking the government to properly equip schools so that these students are at least able to go to the school and attend online classes with social distancing measures in place and class sizes limited. A test run of the system involving over 1,000 teachers and students took place in Bangkok yesterday, and a survey during that test run found that 77% of students were ready for the online learning system, but more needs to be done to get that number up to 100%. Meanwhile, the Education Ministry's proposal to have 17 education TV channels starting July 1st was approved by the broadcast regulators this week, and the new digital TV channels will be from 37 to 53, and it will be airing youth education content to promote learning during the pandemic. Thai PBS TV is also going to run active learning TV programs. The whole thing is going to last for 6 months and may be extended depending on the coronavirus pandemic and potential orders from the government. A new smartphone app created by the Thai government is meant to track customers who enter all kinds of shops, and they say it's meant to monitor potential infection cases while also allowing customers to tell the government if these shops are following COVID-19 guidelines. The new app will be called Thai Chana, meaning Thailand wins, and will be released on Friday. The head of the Digital Economy and Society Ministry says owners of salons, restaurants, even street vendors, they can register online for a QR code that would be placed in front of their shop, and customers who've registered on the app with their phone number, they can scan with their phone while they head inside or exit the shop. The app is said to tell customers if there's space to go inside the shop, as well as track people infected with COVID-19, and also allow customers to notify the government if a particular shop is not obeying COVID-19 control measures as set by the government. As privacy is a concern, officials say customers' private data will be protected. And that's it for Phuket Extra today, brought to you by PSD Windows and Doors. For safe, secure, and soundproof windows, visit pvcphuket.com. And until tomorrow, stay classy, Phuket.